How to create metal sheet material in Unreal Engine 5. In here we have the 4 different material. And next I'm gonna show you how I made the normal textures. In Photoshop I made 4 different textures. And I enter this website. In this website you can convert your textures into the normal textures. Yeah, you can download it. And yeah, we coming back. And I create a new folder. I right click and select material and change the name. And I open it. Control space. And I will drag this texture into here. Hold down 3 and left click to create the color and convert to parameter. And right click to promote to parameter, and I change this value to 1. Right click, promote to parameter, and connect to this normal node, and this one also converts to parameters. The next thing I will add the texture's coordinate. Hold down M and left click to create the multiply. Hold down S and left click to create parameter. And I change this value. Apply. And I create material instance. I will change all of the parameter. Next, I will add the sphere in our theme. I will drag to here. Adjust this material to the sphere. And next, I can change this value. You also can change the normal textures and the color. Yeah, I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.